Alright, well today I got a quick little project to show you. So my son Tyler came up with the idea to make a skull pendant out of one of these circuit boards. This is a perfect little project for what I call short works. So let's do it. He found some discarded circuit boards during one of his many dumpster diving missions. The really neat thing about these circuit boards is that there's no components on them yet, so they're nice and flat. Well, I've got plenty of circuit boards left, so if you've got any suggestions as to what I can do with them, please let me know down in the comments. And also, if you're a subscriber, please remember to hit that little icon, that's the little bell, because that'll give you notifications when my new videos come out. So anyway, till next time, please take care, and we'll see you then. As you can see, I've got a lot of circuit boards left over.